Hi guys, welcome to another video. So, I've had a parcel come from Madam Glam today, and as you can see, it's in a completely different box to what they normally come in. So that means this is a limited edition. So the collection is called Into The Nude. On the back, we've got a little bit about the gels. The Into The Nude box contains an exclusive selection of 3 full-size semi-sheer nude soak-off gels with a smooth application and a streak-free finish. As always, these gel polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula and hema-free. Amazing quality gels. That is the Madam Glam website there, but I shall be leaving a link to the website pinned in my comments. I have got a 30% off discount code for Madam Glam as well, guys, which is GG30. Again, I shall leave that pinned in my comments, so make sure you take full advantage of that. So as you can see, I've not even had a look at these myself. It's still sealed. So let's get the box open and have a little look, shall we? Ooh, look at those. I love these limited edition bottles. How pretty are they? I likes them. So you get 15ml, obviously, in your glass bottles. You've got your ingredients on the back. You've also got your directions there as well. They cure in an LED light for 30 seconds and a UV light for 2 minutes. I like them. So these are the names: Magnifique, Blush Rush and The Bliss. Should we get them swatched and have a look at them? First one is Magnifique. Oh, these are like milky nudes. And do you know what? When these milky gels first came on the market, I actually hated them. I did not like them. Now, I find myself reaching for them all the time. I really like how they give a effective, like a builder gel look. Look at that colour. They're not streaky. So that's after 1 coat. Let's see what it looks like after 2 coats, shall we? I like that. So that's what it's like after 2 coats. Now, these I am well impressed with, because I do find some milky gels, what I use, you need to use like maybe 3 or 4 coats to get a full coverage colour. So at least with this, you do 1 coat, you've got a milky colour. You do 2 coats and you've got a full cover colour. I like that. Beautiful colour as well, isn't it? Really, really beautiful colour. Make a great nail bed colour. I love that. Ooh, I'm excited for the other 2 now. Right, let's have a look at these, shall we? Next one is Blush Rush. Beautiful shade of pink. Proper baby pink. Look at that. Gorgeous baby pink. So that is after 1 coat. A little bit more opaque than the first one, but you can still see it is a milky. And then that's what it looks like after 2 coats. Again, full cover. I like it. And then the last one is The Bliss. Ooh, this is definitely my favourite. So that's what it looks like after 1 coat. Can you see? It's got that milky effect. I can't wait to see this one after 2 coats. And then that is after 2 coats. Yeah, that is definitely my favourite. And I should say it's probably going to be the one that I'm going to use in my design today. I have got a really easy, beginner-friendly design, but still very, very beautiful. So I'm just going to give them all a top coat now. and then we'll come back and take a look at the colours. And that is them all swatch, guys. Look how beautiful those colours are. They're all right up my street, actually. I would use every single one of them. Probably this is my favourite. Yeah, I like them. Really, really impressed with them. And I love that they're Milkies as well. Like I said earlier, I've been reaching for Milkies quite a lot just lately. You've probably noticed, you know, for nail bed colours and stuff and base colours. Oh, I like them. They look nice, both matte and shiny as well. Especially this one in matte. I really like that in matte. Ooh, I'm going to have some fun with these for sure. So like I said earlier, I have already got a design in mind for these. These are going to be perfect for the design that I want to do. You'll see I have glued some tips on my nails again. I seem to be working on my nails a lot just lately. You know, just gluing tips on just for gel polish designs. I'm really enjoying working on my own nails more than my practice hand just lately. So yeah, I thought, why not do it again? I think I'm going to cut these down a little bit though. I want these to be short square. I don't want them as long. So yeah, I think I'm going to cut them down, get set up, and then I shall pop back in when I'm ready to go. Right guys, so they're all cut down. Now again, I'm going to be using a Colours World glitter. Again, it is one of their samples, but this was the perfect colour I was looking for. So I'm hoping there's going to be enough in there. The search number for this glitter is TCT727, if anyone's interested in that. So to start with, I'm using the Madam Glam's Soak Off Base Coat. I'll probably just show you me doing this nail and the pinky nail, because this nail and the middle nail is going to be the exact same. And the ring finger and thumb is going to be the same as well. So I've applied the base coat. I'm not going to cure that. I'll just base coat this middle nail while I'm at it as well. And then I'm going to just apply the glitter into that cuticle area. Like that. Right, then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. So now I think I'm going to use the Bliss, which is my favourite, and do the Peekaboo effect. So I'm going to start off by applying it at the bottom first, getting that all nice and neat. And then I'm just going to gradually work my way up. Keep going off to the left today, guys. I'm so sorry. Don't know what's up with me today. Because these gels are a little bit sheer, you can afford to go a little bit thicker with them, and they will cure in your lamp. Right, so that's applied. Pop that in the lamp to cure. Now we're going to go in with a second coat. These gels are perfect for the peekaboo effect. Right, so I'm going to pop that in the lamp, and I'll get the others done off camera, guys. No point me doing that with you again because it's just going to get boring. Right, guys, so that's those 4 nails done. They're all buffed. They're ready for some top coat. So all we've got left to do now is the pinky. So I'm going to start off by applying a coat of Madam Glam's base coat. Then I'm not going to cure that. Pulled out my little glitter catcher. This is so cool. So I'm just going to sprinkle that into that uncured base coat. Give that a minute to soak in. And then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. Right guys, that is all fully cured. How beautiful is that glitter? Stunning, isn't it? I love that like golden iridescent shift what it's got. It's beautiful. So I'm going to encapsulate this glitter today. So I'm going to start off by using an old base coat what I use when I'm using glitter. Don't want to use my decent Madam Glam base coat because I don't want to get all glitter in it and wreck it. So I'm just putting a really nice generous coat on there. Flip it upside down just for a few seconds and then pop it in the lamp. Right, so that's all fully cured. Now I'm going to go over that with a really thick top coat what I've got. It's more like a builder in a bottle, but it is actually a top coat. I like to use this when I'm encapsulating anything with top coat because it's really, really thick. Which is just what I need right now. Flip that upside down and then pop it in the lamp. Right, so that is all fully cured. So I'm just going to give it a buff over now, just to get rid of any lumpy bumps. It doesn't actually feel that bad, but I'm still going to give it a little buff over anyway. So I'm just going to go around the cuticle area first, make sure that's all nice and flush. I don't want there to be a big lump in the cuticle area. And up the sides. And then just buff over the top. Right, just give that a quick wipe over with some isopropyl alcohol. There we go. So, who's ready to see these bad boys top coated? I can't wait to see that glitter nail in particular. So I'm going to be using the Madam Glam's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. Like it. I really like it. Who's ready for this glitter nail? I am. Look at that. Beautiful. I definitely need a bigger bag of that glitter. Definitely. There's 12 in that collection and they're all really, really beautiful. I shall leave the link to this collection, and I'll leave a link to the Colours World website as well. We've got some amazing glitters over there. I love it. I really love it. Right, so I'm going to pop them in the lamp and then I'll do the thumbnail off camera and then we'll come back and take a look at them. So there we are guys, that is the nails all done. What do you think? I really like them. I love that gel polish, the Bliss gel polish. I can see me using that a lot as a base colour. And the glitter is really, really beautiful. Gorgeous colour. I think they just go together so well, don't you? Like I said at the beginning of the video, guys, a really quick, easy design, beginner friendly, salon friendly, but yet still really, really beautiful. I like it. I really like it. So let's look at the swatches again very quickly. So we have got Magnifique, Blush Rush and The Bliss. They're all really pretty colours, aren't they? Right up my street they are. So that's the swatches. And that is the end of the video, guys. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending us these to take a look at. Thank you so much. I shall leave the link to the Madam Glam website pinned in my comments. I shall leave my 30% off discount code pinned in there as well. So make sure you take full advantage of that. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.